Um, 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 um.
Sound
So,
alerts. A at programmer underscore Jeff. There's a new update coming to sound alerts,
bum,
but you
bum,
need some
bum, bum,
permissions.
bum, bum, bum,
Please
bum,
log in
bum,
and link to
bum, bum.
dashboard.
How about no? Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Pop out chat. Excuse me. Pardon me. Coming through. Coming through. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 ba da ba da da bum. Bum bum ba da bum ba 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 bum. Okay, so let's see if we can at least do load Minecraft. Well, bum 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 dun, 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 dun. Computer, why are you over there? Do I have to drag again with Microsoft? Not able to control their windows. God, and so I spawned in an area where there's a village, and then there's a village. We're gonna go see what we can do. We might get distracted with game dev. You know, I have an idea. I have a plan. I have a pla. Boom, 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 boom. How come this is like this? I don't know. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Let's drink the last of this water. Went for a walk. There we go. There we go. There you are. Okay, are we loaded in? No, it's going to take forever to load in. That's fine. It's loading. It's still loading everything. It's going to take a while to load. It's dabba dabba doo. Yabba dabba. Wait, there's something in here that's not. Is it in there? Up there? Right there? I can't see. Computer. Oh. There you go. Oh. Alright, cool. Alrighty then. Excuse me. Okay, alright, so let's take a look at the, what I possibly wanted to work on here. So the Space Trader, last successful build is 272. We've got 308 on here, 307. Yeah, what did I do? You know what, it might be time for a clash of code as well. I think it might be time for a clash. What do you mean priority? Oh no. Four space separated integers for the total of each mixed herbs and the total of green herbs not used. What? So this and then what? Oh no. I see. So if you got one red, if you got one yellow, you got green. Huh. Count function, of course, we're good. Isn't it that? Begin, end? What? You have to give it the begin and the end of it. It's still squiggly. It doesn't like it. It doesn't like that. Char. So what we're doing is a char. This, that. Herbs.count, right? Oh, sorry. Okay, so G, and then we want to know for Y and R. Oh, so where am I? What are you putting your cursor? Where are you putting your cursor, Jeff? What are you doing? Computer. Do what I think, not what I type. All right. We just want a space there. So count the number in there and let me know. G7, Y2, R1. Okay, so... int G equals... Should have just done this from the beginning. From the beginnings. Okay, now what we need to do is a while loop, I think. So, so we want to also do a combo of all, and then just y, and then just g, and those are all going to equal 0. Equals 0. Okay. So do while. I don't know. I'm scared. So do this while g is greater than 3, or g is greater g is greater than 1. Hold on, and inside g is greater than 1 and y is greater than 0. No, g is greater than 0. This one's going to be that, or. But it isn't that, though. It's not r is greater than 0 or y is greater than 0. So if we have just one r, it doesn't matter. So, okay, so it is y. Okay. My brain. Okay, so while g is greater than 3, or g is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. G is greater than 2. Okay. So if g is greater than 2 and r is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0, then you just want to go all plus plus. More than that, sorry, we have to squiggly it, all plus plus. And then we want to go g minus equals g minus minus, r minus minus, y minus minus. Oh, thank you. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Then we should go else if, so that one, so if this one, actually, if g is greater than 0, here, if g is greater than 2, g is greater than 1, then it's 2, okay. And y is greater than 0. Just y plus plus. Then we're going to go g minus equals 2, y minus minus. Okay, else inside there, we're going to go if g is greater than 2, just g plus plus, g minus equals 3. Well, g is greater than 2, all that, and then we want to print what? Okay, so we want to see out all space just y space just g. And then once we're done with that, we want to output g and then end L. Oh my goodness. Why, Jeff? Why? Oh, we got it right on the first one. Are we getting... What are you buying? Oh. Oh. Nice. Oh my goodness. Keep going, bro. 85. I was ripped off. Ripped off. I got 100%, I'll have you know. Let's see. Fun. Awesome. Difficulty. Perfect. Statement. Clear enough. Test case relevancies. Average? I don't know. I got 100%. Bruh. Faced issues with the Clash. There we go. Reported. Reported. Alright. We will Minecraft. Let's go to Minecraft. Okay, so what I want to do is... Oh wait, computer, what are you doing here? Oh. Come on. Where are you at, bruh? Where's the other chick? Alright, come with me. There was just one over here. Hold on. Don't get caught behind. There we go. You and you. Oh, there we go. Bam, 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 bam. I wanna mate some more. Oh, you've already made it, I see. You're good to go, bruh. And you're probably the one that you mated with. Okay, you're fine. You guys wanna walk back to the village? Oh, they're so cute. So cute. What's up, guys? Huh? Okay. You guys chill out here. Because I'm pressing on to the village here. Okay. The village, actually not the village, just the farm, and we're gonna do this. Whoa, how did all these things get on the ground? Are we still breaking down? We're still breaking down. Stuff and things. Oh, there's a black sheep. Nice. I could take some dye over there and make some other colored sheep too. That would be cool. That would be cool. Oh, you brought your little babies over here to go downstairs and everything, and don't you go dying on me now. I don't think... Oh, there's just wolves. Wolves is the only thing that naturally kills sheep in the game, so I think we're good. Blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. I want to replant these so badly right now. Hey, bro, you made it over. Do you have someone to mate with? You do. Let's give it a try. Are you one of the ones that... No. And are you the... Oh, you've already mated, you dirty little devil. What about you guys? What about you? Let's choose you. I choose you. Prince Ali, I choose you. Okay, there we go. Oh no, that's so hilarious. That's totally Oh, there's chickens over there? Are those chickens? Okay, hold on. Would you guys like some seeds? And would you like to make more chickens while you're over here? Would you like to do that? Would you like to do that? Come here. Would you like to do that? Come here. Come here. Would you like to make some more chickens while you're over here? You've got an egg going. Where? Where? Oh, there's 4 of them. Hold on. You, and you, and you. Come over here to this one. Gotta go back and get the experience. You, and you. There you go. Okay, everybody get away from me now. And there was an egg. I picked up an egg. Let's throw it. Make sure there's... Oh, it wasn't another chick. Okay, whatever. Alright, I gotta go back home. Gotta go. You guys, have fun. Make more chickens. That was fun. Ba-bum. Blah, la, 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 I know. I know. I know. It's just hilarious. It's really bad. It's really bad. We need a bed. And then I need more. Chop down the trees. Oh my goodness, we need to put down some more light. In the darkness. You gotta light up the darkness. Alright, I'm gonna go to sleep here soon. Hold on, I'll go to sleep here soon. I know what I'm doing. Not really. I could be dying any minute. Just chill. Might be fun to watch me die in my hardcore. Just think about that. Might be fun to watch him die in his hardcore. All that work, gone in an instant. Just like in the time machine when he emerges. Oh, there's a skeleton. Run. Run and hide. And I don't mean a pig hide. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, there we go. Oh, the skeletons are burning. Do you see that? Let's go see what else is going on. Or who else is burning? Burning and yearning and churning. Oh, there's a creeper and I'm gonna die. And there's a skeleton. That was dumb. That was dumb. Run, run, run. Run. Okay. Brave Sir Robin ran away. Okay. Think we're fine. We should probably eat some food and chill. Yes, it's food and chill here on Minecraft. Okay, so I got 18, 17 here. 16, 32. Oh, wrong spot. There, okay. Alright, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Ba-da-da-da-da. Oh wait, let's eat another. One, two, three, four. Chop it down. Get some more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chop it down and get some more. Copy. Bum. Ba-da-ba-bum. Bum, bum. Bum, bum. Ba-da-dum, bum, bum, bum. Ba-da-dum, bum. Mm. Sugarcane. Ah, I see how you are. Okay. Alrighty then. Bam bam. Okay, this is very exciting. It's very exciting. I think I want some ramen. I'll be right back. Yeah, I'll be right back. I've got a snack here. So, oh, there. So let's look at who did the clash. Anybody else? It's over. Nobody else got it. Couple. Oh, he got it. Oh, I see. This is exactly what I did. Yeah, glitches. Alright. Okay, I'm going to turn off the mic while I eat a quick snack. Ilhami? What's up? That's your own copy of Minecraft. Yeah, who else's copy would it be? Okay, I just finished eating too, so. But yeah, why do you ask? So, your video has title of OpenGL. Yeah, I do programming. I know, I was trying to put in the, I don't think I want to put it on that one. Let me see if I can show you. Which one did I want to do? You know, I wonder if I have... Which one? 272? In cleanup, huh? Alright, well, what do we do with version numbers here? Oh, it only goes up to 230 something. Okay, let's go 230... 230. I don't know if this will work. It's even got red in it. Let's do 272 or let's load 308. I gotta load 308, hold on. Wait, where did 308 go? Maybe it was in cleanup. Hold on. Wait, where's 308 now? Oh. Computer. Hold on. Awesome new subscriber. Cool, thank you. Space Gems. Oh, it's right there. So I don't know why I didn't. It's being weird. Visual Studio. Could be me, but it's probably Visual Studio. Main Space Gems 3. There we go. So what I did was I completely refactored this. Take your time. It's true. I completely refactored this and then put everything into a game manager class instead of into like my main open space. So this is the title screen. It's just 1 point and it's a shader code that does the this background star. It's pretty cool. Oh, I think it's in demo mode right now. Let's put it in demo mode. Oh, see, it's all messed up with this part. Let me see if it'll go to the planets. This is supposed to be the star, and the problem is it's the same size as the title screen point. So the initialization there doesn't change the size of it. After 30 seconds, it's supposed to switch over to the planet. 30 seconds? 45 seconds. Here we go. Wait, what's going on here? After 30 seconds, completely blank screen. All right. So anyways, let's load up the one that works. See, and it's got an error code that it exits. I don't understand why it's some issue with memory. It's having an issue with memory, so I haven't worked on it in a while because of this particular issue, which is really kind of a bad excuse, but what I wanted to do tonight and in general is take just these, I'll show you here. Take just the voxel planet and isolate that one and basically get everything back to working again. I don't know. Project got too big for me, I think. I've never done a big project, and I should probably start smaller. I have an idea for a much smaller project that would be very, very similar that I could grow into that. So this is what it's supposed to look like. So it's got a nebula in the background. It'd be awesome to make a tutorial on making terrain. Yeah. Terrain is actually really easy to make. Like, I'll show you the planets here. So if you land on one of the planets, you can see that I've got these voxels. And basically it's terrain. I got a little jetpack in here so you can see what the terrain looks like from above. It's just Perlin noise terrain is all it is. Excuse me. So what you do is you set up a grid of, like, pretend this is all flat land, right? But in the code, I will show you in the code, everything happens. Let's go into here. So planets, blocks, right in here. So let's load this up. Alright, Visual Studio. So let me find it. Perlin, I think, is the name of the function. Yeah. So here's where the data is generated. Oh wait, camera chunk? Oh, chunk update. So if absolute value, loop through all blocks are greater than the camera position. Oh, this is as you're moving through the chunks and stuff, yeah. That's not the initial one. Hold on, let me show you the initial one. That's as you're moving through the blocks, through the world. Init data. Here we go. Position, Perlin. Okay, so right in here. So I start with a 300 by 300 grid, and there's a noise function here in GLM that is a simple library to link with OpenGL. All the stuff. GLM is a headers only library, which means you don't have to do any library linking, you don't have to do compiling, you just link the headers and you get all these amazing functions. But you basically feed in the parameters into the Perlin noise function, and based on the coordinates that you send in, you get a unique, in this case it affects the Y position. So I take the floor of the noise value, I do some other calculations on it. You can do all kinds of different parameters. You can experiment with it, and then you get this really nice flowing terrain. Actually, let me show you the other way that I did it too, because this is just with the voxels. So the position of each block has a different height, but you can also do it with the. Let's see, where's the main 3D first? Terrain 3D. Okay, right in here. I think we're like 27 now. 27, yeah. Bam, 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 bam. So this one I actually applied it to a 3D mesh that was just flat. Pardon the white screen there when it starts up. Computer, can we load the pro? Thank you. Phew. And see, so you got a grid here, and then based on the noise value, the terrain is either raised or lowered, and then if it goes below a certain point, I flatten it out into water. So that's the value of the noise function, is that it returns, the idea is that it's a random, but it's also a smooth random from like over here to where it smooths to a random over here, but it's always a consistently same random based on the input, which is one of the values of Perlin noise. So almost all terrain is generated with Perlin noise, or you could generate your own noise function, which is just like multiplying numbers, like something like repeatable, like the sine value. or the cosine or the tangent or something by really high numbers. I don't think tangent would be a good one because it doesn't smoothly transition, but yeah. Oh, thank you. Yeah, this is really fun. And this was the one I think I wanted to put in the hotbar because this one is my best demo so far. And I added a speed where you can just race through, just hit the shift key and it lets you speed through it, which I thought it'd be fun to make kind of like a little racetrack, you know. And then I was into Fortnite when I was making this, so I added a little zoom, so you can zoom like you're doing the sniper zoom, you know. Alright, let's see if we can go back. And if you see the text at the bottom of the screen, if you're actually on Twitch, you can type in something. Let me see if I can go to my Twitch on the other... Can I? Yeah. There, so this is the Twitch stream chat. I just typed that in because it's on my other... Yeah, zooming by decreasing and increasing the field of view. Yeah, smoothly doing it. Yeah, I just set it to magnify to a certain point, and it's really steady. Every frame it increases. Yeah, it's really cool. Isn't that neat? I know, I love it. Oh, I love this one. It's really cool. And let's see if I can show you the... see, where's it at? Ba-da-bum-bum. Right here, camera zoom. Oh yeah, I made a variable to or a function to manage the variable. So I set the input amounts, so it's like a certain amount, the speed that it'll zoom, and then the maximum number of ticks to get to that point. Yeah, that was an interesting... Let's see, manager, yeah. Oh, and then the other thing, it'll load quicker now. At least it should, yeah. So the other thing I set up, I was playing around with the shaders, and if I hit G, it goes to black and white, and then I can hit space and it goes back to color. We've gone into the ghost dimension. And then we drink milk and everything's fine. So clearly I have too much fun with these things. Oh. So do you do coding as well? That seems like you do. Sounds like you do. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge. You trying to do game dev as well? That's awesome if you are. If not, you should consider going into it. It's a fun hobby. I think you finished Learn OpenGL chapters. Yes, it's true. I've also got all the books on OpenGL. The red book, the blue books, books on shaders. See, this is one of the things that I wanted to include in the see, frame buffer, 3D sprite. In fact, let me look at it here. So I made the ultimate shader playground where it not just like Shader Toy uses the fragment shader, only this uses the fragment shader and then also it goes way back to the vertex shader. You can put in the geometry shader. There's an option for tessellation shaders. I added time, noise, the use of the mouse. I took out so that you can see this is the shader that's currently in the editor. You can click here to see the vertex shader. You can click here to see the fragment shader. It doesn't show that it's using, it does show that it's using the geometry shader. So this is the geometry shader that's generating these points. I happen to know this one because it's the default one. So it takes in 1 point. So I'm really on screen here, I'm only drawing 1 point, but in the geometry shader, it's being magnified to a 10 by 10 grid on the screen, which the GPU, the graphics card, is designed to do that, which is insane. So you can amplify your geometry. And then the fragment shader still does just what it does. Doesn't matter how many points are being on the screen there. And if I add the time variable, everything becomes animated that's using the time variable. Let's see. One of my favorite ones was this one. Let's see, where is the vertex shader? There we go. Not quite so large. There we go. I wonder how in lighting chapters calculate frag position by multiplying it with the model. Oh, because, well, I don't do a lot of work with models, but I do a lot of work with instancing. And let me see here. So when you're doing your transforms and stuff, let's see. Actually, where's the lighting one? What was that? There's one that's really cool. Space planets? No. Did I put it at the bottom here? Oh, do I not have it in here yet? Hold on. Oh, here it is. Yeah, okay. So lighting is basically the fragment shader doing its thing. So you're taking the position, whether it's on a point or on the screen. In this case, it's the fragment's position on the screen. And so you can swap it around to do the exact opposite. So you can add light to an area that's dark, like that. Or you can add dark to an area that's light. But it was in diffuse lighting because we need the direction of light. Exactly. Yes. So all that is the difference between it's the difference between the location and the source of the light. And then because it just gives you a vector, you can use the whatchamacallit function. Because you have a vector, you can calculate the angle in relation to the camera. And I think the angle that you're using there is going to be, you're going to find it with the arctangent. I think that's, yeah, the arctangent will give you the angle, and then you use that in your lighting calculation. And just, you know, fiddle around with it until you get a little bit more comfortable with like one object, one light source, and one camera. And then once you get it right, then you can apply it to the whole scene, to a whole scene of stuff. This is the shader. It's not very well commented, but the clicking is right here, and it just uses a simple mix function. So in the one way, it mixes it from 1 to 0.1, and on the other way, it mixes it from 0.1 to 1. And I have the distance defined in here. I think I modified that the other day. I can make it smaller, go like this. And then I can also make it go to closer to 0, like that. See, now it's much smaller. And then it also goes to totally bright or totally dark on this side. It's totally dark now. I wanted to do one like this, and then have it be like, you know, the player is finding his way around a maze and stuff. So anyways, yeah, I'm good with graphics, good with programming, not so good with making stuff fun. I think you're doing a lot of stuff in Fragment and calculations, all that affects the performance, right? To a certain extent, it depends on how many calculations you do. Because all of this code is executed in parallel on the GPU, depending upon how many... What do they call it? I don't even know. Hold on. So really you can do as many calculations as you want. When you really think about it, all you're doing is you're deciding whether you're overloading one processor, because they're all the same and working in parallel. So if you're overloading one of them, you're overloading all of them. Cores or streaming processors. Cores are designed to handle multiple tasks simultaneously. Yeah. See, each of the cores operates independently, which allows them to execute instructions in parallel. This is the key aspect of what gives GPUs their high performance capabilities. So, even though you're doing this to calculate every fragment, every pixel on the screen, because the GPU has so many processors working in parallel, it doesn't matter. So that's why they can do things like this. Computer, you gonna load it? I think we broke it. No, it's loading. See, there we go. See, this is just a shader. It's using a true shade. It's a little blocky. It's a little smoother as it goes down because not as many of the screen pixels are being used for the calculations. And then the code is just right over here. It's all this code right here. All that code for every pixel on the screen. It's cool. Isn't that crazy? Minecraft uses Perlin noise. Fortnite uses Perlin noise to calculate its terrain heights. And yeah. Computer. Okay, is there a torch here? Let's use this one. Is it kind of dark over here? I'm gonna have to go to sleep here soon. No. Do you know of any good sources to learn transformations expandingly? What do you mean expandingly? Or math in general? Actually, there are a lot of good resources on. Well, first of all, learnopengl.com is really good. So I hope you found that one, which I think you said you did. YouTube is really good too if you want to learn. What's the one? Blue 2, brown 4, something like that. No, it's linear algebra. Is that 3 blue, 1 brown? I took linear algebra in college, so I kind of already know this stuff and forgot it. So for me, it's just a little refresher. This guy's really good. Also, AI is really good if you ask it questions, but trust it, but verify what it says. Don't just blindly trust completely. Kind of like the news anymore. Just trust, but verify. Can I pick up? Oh, I'm full. I need to sleep. Don't die. Sure, you're more than welcome. Bum, 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 bum. Absolutely. Couldn't even pick up my own bed. Oh no. You too, man. Take care. Come and see me again. I'm going to try to stream regular after work and then Saturday mornings, Sunday afternoons. Hey, don't be aiming at me, you skeleton. Alright, let's get the sword. Where did he go? Alright. Where did the other guy go? Oh, he died. Bum, 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 bum. Should we try to kill the creeper? Will he kill me? He might. Don't explode. Okay. Can I even pick that up? Okay. Bum 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 bum. Okay, let's see if we can make some melons here. There we go. Okay, and then we need to pick up, I like this, and this, and this. Okay. Let's make a nice sidewalk, kind of a fancy sidewalk thing here. All right. Alright, very nice. Let's clear this. Here's where it gets weird. Yes, it's cutting the grass in Minecraft. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to Game Dev. This is Hobby Game Dev. Definitely not production level. Not yet, anyways, I guess. I don't know. Who knows, right? Who knows? Alright, cutting the grass. Here we go. Nice, that snack filled me up. I feel like I shall sleep very well. Still want to do a full body workout. And some push-ups. Oh, don't lose that. Okay, this looks really cool. I like this kind of style. Let's do this. Boom. That works. I wasn't rushing. Why is it rushing? Maybe aiming and left clicking, like W and left click, is a rush kind of a thing? I don't know. Alright, what are we doing? Okay, we have some serious melons. And pumpkins. We need a farmer. I wish you could expand villages. Thank you, Zah. I was going to say it's not showing me how many people are watching. There we go. Alright. Well.